Remove the aircraft's extended port cover. Then insert the beacon's USB plug into the port. When the beacon is securely plugged into the port, tighten the screws on both sides of the base. Please check carefully and ensure the beacon is safely secured to the aircraft. After the beacon is correctly mounted to the Mavic 2 Enterprise, the aircraft will automatically recognize the beacon and show a beacon icon in DJI Pilot. Tap the beacon icon to turn the beacon on or off. The beacon blinks once per second when it is turned on. After using the beacon, please power off the aircraft, then remove the beacon from the aircraft. Please remember to reattach the port cover to protect the extended ports. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.